Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will learn how a lender can cancel an appraisal order before an operational admin of A2Z AMC approves or rejects the particular appraisal order. I will guide you through each step. Currently, we are logged in as a Neil Armstrong, a lender user, and we are currently on the dashboard of that particular user. We need to navigate towards the appraisal orders from the menu bar. And when we are navigated towards the appraisal orders page, we need to select the particular appraisal we need to cancel. So this is the appraisal order I want to cancel as it's not yet been approved or rejected by the operational admin. It is still under review. And as you can see, now I need to cancel this particular appraisal order. I will click on this cancel button on the right top corner, and here I need to provide in the reason that should be a valid reason to cancel an order. So we are going to confirm, and the order has been cancelled and the status has been updated to cancelled. When I move back towards this particular appraisal orders main page, I will witness that the status is cancelled. And even if I go towards this particular status update, it shows that this particular is being cancelled and the reason is defined over here. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.